Hey y'all, this is McKenzie. We just got through shooting some music videos here in Memphis, Tennessee. And I get asked quite often, what's the strangest or weirdest thing that ever happened during a show? Well, it actually just happened a few weeks ago. We were playing in Nashville on the rooftop of Rippy's. And there's a lot of birds that fly around because those windows are open and whatnot. And I was in the middle of an Ed Sheeran song and a bird literally landed on my head.
Seriously, I'm freaking out. Get it off me. Get it off me right now. I swear to God. Is it the bird? Okay, I'm freaking out. Okay. Oh my God, I'm freaking out right now.
This is the first time for everything, folks.
Oh my God.
Isn't that good luck for boots on you? That's good luck, right?
So yeah, you never know what's gonna happen at Rippy's or Tootsie's. So come see me on Broadway in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. Thank y'all.